I'm Shelley Turner with the Builderall team. In this video, I'm going to cover the Builderall compensation plan. When you start as an affiliate with Builderall, you start as a level F0, and there's a points-based system to be able to earn your recurring commissions. All new affiliates start as an F0. That means you have 0 points, and your personal purchases and personal sales will count towards increasing the number of points that you have. Recurring commissions begin at F1. This is where you've collected some points, and once you've got 180 points, you'll start to earn some recurring commissions. All grandfathered affiliates, those are members that were affiliates before this new compensation plan was implemented, they're all grandfathered in as F2. That means you automatically have in the system 347 points, and you will be paid recurring commissions based on the F2 plan. Now, how do you get your points? Well, first of all, personal purchases, they give you, for every $1 you spend, 3 points. So when you purchase any plan in Builderall, for every $1 you spend, you're going to get 3 points. You also get points on your personal sales, or the people that you bring in right under you. Those personal sales, every $1 counts as 1 point. So now let's talk about the $69.90 plan and what type of commission you can earn off of that plan. The first way to earn commission is the personal sales commission. That's 100% of the $69.90. So every time you make a sale in Builderall, you're going to earn 100% commission on your customer's first payment. You're also going to have the ability to withdraw your commissions after 35 days. Qualified affiliates can withdraw their commissions 5 days after payment. Qualified affiliates are those affiliates that have commissions of $250 or more. The second way you can earn with the $69.90 plan is personal sales recurring commissions. So everyone that's an F1 affiliate and up, every time your customer pays their monthly fee, you earn a recurring commission. And on the $69.90 plan, that is $20 every single month. If you're a qualified affiliate, you can withdraw these commissions 5 days after payment. And the third way you can earn is a personal sales retention bonus. This is available for affiliates F1 and up, and every third recurring customer payment in Builderall allows you a customer retention bonus. If you're a qualified affiliate, you can also withdraw these commissions after 5 days. The personal sales retention bonus repeats every 3 months. So now let's talk about the plans and how you can earn recurring commissions every single month with Builderall. This is the Unilevel bonus for the $69.90 plan. And as you can see, it's on 3 levels, level 1, level 2, and level 3. These are the levels that you can earn beyond your personal sales. If you're an F0 affiliate, there are 0 points. You will earn your 100% first month commission, but even if you have from 0 to 179 points, you're still considered an F0, and you will not earn any recurring commissions on the $69.90 plan. Only F1 affiliates and above can earn recurring commissions on personal sales or level 1, level 2, and level 3 sales. On level 1, 2, and 3, which is the old Tier 2, Tier 3, and Tier 4, you'd be earning $0. Only F1 affiliates and above can earn recurring commissions on personal sales, level 1, level 2, and level 3. On affiliate F1 level, you're going to have 180 points up to 346 points. And with those points on level 1, you're going to be able to earn $5. On level 2, you'll earn $5. On level 3, you earn $0. But then once you reach 347 points, you'll be able to earn $8 on level 1, $7 on level 2, and $0 on level 3. And then for an affiliate F3, you're going to have 485 plus points. On level 1, you're going to earn $8. On level 2, you're going to have $8. And level 3, you're going to earn $8. So this is the recurring commission that you can earn past your personal sales level. So remember when we talked about personal sales, let's go back and take a look. On personal sales, you can earn 100% commission the first month, And then recurring commissions, once you're an F1 or above, you get $20 per month on that sale of $69.90. And then for every 3 months that you retain that customer, you'll get a $15 bonus. All of that happens on your personal sales level. Then we've got level 1, 2, and 3, which are the old tier 2, tier 3, and tier 4. And you have the ability to earn on 3 more levels beyond your personal sales. If you are an F3, you have the ability to earn $8 on level 1, $8 on level 2, and $8 on level 3. So let's take a look at an example of how we can put a plan in place and the commissions that we would earn off of that plan. So let's take a look here at personal purchases. In this example, the personal purchases, meaning what the person purchased themselves, this person purchased the $69.90 plan. They also have 3 personal sales at $69.90. Remember that for each personal purchase, for every $1 spent, you're going to get 3 points. And for personal sales, for every $1 that we sell, we'll get 1 point. So if we total all of that up, their total number of points is 414, which puts them at the affiliate level F2. Total points and affiliate level is only related to your personal purchases and personal sales. Now let's take a look at what they have for level 1 and level 2 sales. So level 1, they have 1 sale at $69.90, and level 2, they have 2 sales at $69.90. So let's take a look at what that commission will look like. First month, they get 100% commission. So they have 3 personal sales at $69.90. So that's $69.90 times 3, which is $209.70. Now let's take a look at the second month when you start to receive recurring commission. Remember that recurring commissions only happen if you're an F1 or above, and this person's affiliate level is F2, so they will be receiving recurring commissions on their personal sales and on level 1 and level 2 and level 3 according to the Unilevel bonus chart for this $69.90 plan. So on the recurring commission, on your personal sales, you've got 3 personal sales at $69.90. That'll earn you $20 for each one, so you get a total of $60. Then on level 1, you're going to earn $8 on each sale, which you have 1, so 8 times 1 is $8. On level 2, you have 2 sales, and you earn $7, so that's a total of $14. On level 3, $0. If you total all of that up, the second month recurring income will be $82. The third month is exactly the same as the second month, but then the fourth month, which is technically the third month recurring, you're going to get a retention bonus. That's the only thing that changes on this fourth month, and that is $15 times the 3 people that you retained as customers, which is an additional $45. So if we take that 82, add the 45 to it, you're going to get $127. Now here's the beauty of this plan. So you've gone the second month, the third month, and the fourth month getting recurring commissions. What's going to happen is the 5th month is going to look just like the 2nd month. The 6th month is going to look just like the 3rd month. And the 7th month, when we trigger that retention bonus again, it's going to look like the 4th month. So for every 3 months that you retain that customer, you'll get a retention bonus, and that retention bonus adds up really quick. So that's an example of someone that has built up a team, has got some personal sales, level 1 and level 2 sales, and you can see the 1st month commission, 2nd, 3rd, and 4th month recurring commissions, and you'll have a really good idea of what the commissions will be moving forward. Now let's take a look at the $29.90 plan and what you can earn. So on the $29.90 plan, the 1st month on personal sales, you're going to get 100% commission. So every time you make a sale of the $29.90 plan, you're going to get 100% commission of that. You'll be able to withdraw these commissions after 35 days if you're a new affiliate. Qualified affiliates can withdraw these 5 days after the customer pays. You also get personal sales recurring commissions. So everyone that's an F1 or above, every time your customer renews their payment with Builderall, you're going to get a personal sales recurring commission of $8. And you can withdraw these commissions 5 days after their payment. And then you're going to get a personal sales retention bonus. That's your bonus for keeping the customer in Builderall. Anyone that's an affiliate F1 or above, every 3 months that a person pays, you're going to get this retention bonus. And you can withdraw these commissions 5 days after the payment. So now let's look at the Unilevel bonuses that you get on the $29.90 plan. So remember, we just talked about the personal sales. Now we're going to talk about level 1, level 2, and level 3 sales. If you are an affiliate F0, then you won't be earning anything beyond your personal sales commissions. So you will not be earning on level 1, 2, or 3. If you become an affiliate F1, which means you've collected 180 points, with those points, on level 1, you'll earn $2. On level 2, you'll earn $2. On level 3, you'll earn $0. If you are an affiliate F2, that means you've collected 347 points, and that allows you to earn $3 on level 1, $2 on level 2, and $0 on level 3. And then the last one, the F3, you have to have 485 plus points, and that allows you to earn on level 1, $3, on level 2, $3, on level 3, $3. So let's take a look at an example of someone that's selling the $29.90 plan. Their personal purchases are $69.90. Remember that for personal purchases, every $1 spent equals 3 points. And then personal sales, they have 3 people that came in at $29.90. Remember that for personal sales, every $1 equals 1 point. If we take the personal purchases and add in the personal sales, we have a total number of points of 294. That puts us at affiliate level F1. This person also has 1 level 1 sale at $29.90 and 2 level 2 sales at $29.90. So the first month commission is $29.90 times 3, which is $89.70. The second month, which is the recurring income, on personal sales, they're going to earn $8 times 3 because they have 3 members. That equals $24. On level 1, they've got 1 sale of $29.90 times $2. That equals $2. They have 2 sales on level 2 at $2 commission, which equals $4. And then on level 3, they get 0. The total for the second month recurring commission is $30. Nothing changes on the third month. Everything stays the same. But on the fourth month, if you retain those customers, you get added in a customer retention bonus. And that retention bonus is $6 for everyone that stayed in Builderall and paid their membership fee. So this person has 3 recurring customers. So 6 times 3 is $18. So if you take that $30 and add 18 to it, it's a total of $48. So you can see that even the $29.90 plan starts to add up really quickly because this person has only brought in 3 people, and then their people that they've brought in have only brought in 3 other people, and it's starting to add up already as far as commissions. So here's the fourth way to earn money in Builderall, and that is unlimited car bonus. Previously, we had to get 100 clients on our personal sales to be able to get the first car bonus of $500. And then 200 clients on our personal sales to get the $1,000 bonus. That's changed dramatically. It's much easier to get the car bonus. For every 690 recurring points that you accumulate as an affiliate, you're going to earn a $50 bonus. So there's no more waiting for 100 people to come in or waiting for 200 people to come in. You automatically start collecting those recurring points. And as soon as you hit 690 points, you're going to get a $50 bonus. When you increase that to an additional 690 points, you'll get another $50. And you can keep going to infinity. If you keep collecting points, you'll keep collecting bonuses. So here's an example of how this works. If this month you have 10 active customers at the $69.90 plan, that will get you 690 points, and you just earned your first $50 bonus. If we look at another scenario, let's say you have 100 active customers at $69.90 plan. You'll have 6,900 points, and you earn your $500 bonus. And remember, you can keep collecting points and keep collecting those unlimited $50 bonuses with the car bonus. Now let's look at an example of someone that's got several levels and several affiliates under them that are selling Builderall. So for this person, Their personal purchases are $69.90. For their personal sales, they have 10 people at $69.90. So if we take all of those points, remember it's 69 times 3 and then 10 times 69. So that gives us a total of 897 points. That puts this individual at affiliate level F3. It also gives them 1 car bonus because they've collected the minimum 690 to get a car bonus. They've also got 30 level 1 sales, 90 level 2 sales, and 270 level 3 sales. Now let's take a look at the commissions that this person can earn by just bringing in 10, upgrading 3 to affiliates, and then teaching them how to do the same thing. So on personal sales, they've sold 10 accounts at $69.90. So that total is $699. And then on the second month, on their personal sales, they're going to get $20 for each account they've sold at $69.90, which is 10 of them. So they make $200. They also get the car bonus, which is $50, and they've earned 1 of those. So it's a total of $50. On level 1, because they're in F3, they get $8 for every single sale that they made on level 1, which was 30. So they're going to make $240. On level 2, they get $8 for each sale, which was 90. So they make $720. And on level 3, they get $8 for every single sale, which was 270 of them. So that's $2,160. So the total for the second month recurring income is $3,370. Now the third month will look exactly the same, but then the fourth month, because of that retention bonus, we have kept those 10 people in at $69.90. So we get a $15 bonus for each one of them. And because there's 10 of them, that totals $150. So if you take this $3,370 and add the $150 customer retention bonus, you get $3,520. And all of this was done by bringing in 10 people at the $69.90 level, encouraging 3 people to upgrade to affiliate, and then teach them how to do the exact same thing you did. So how do you become an affiliate in Builderall? Becoming an affiliate in Builderall is very easy. It's a $50 fee that's paid annually. With that fee, you're going to get the ability to share Builderall with others and earn commissions and earn points to increase the amount of commissions that you get with Builderall. So remember, there's 4 ways to earn commissions in Builderall with the affiliate compensation plan. The first way is the 100% commission on the first month. The second way is the recurring commissions based on the number of points that you earn. The third way is the customer retention bonus. And the fourth way is the car bonus. All commissions will have a small processing fee at the time of withdrawal. So that's the structure of the affiliate compensation plan in Builderall.